So this is our Tank 300 with a bit of extra gear on it. That's right, we have kitted out the car with the team at Cars, Caravans Camping and Frontrunner to bring you a couple of experiences around Queensland with this Tank 300 diesel to test whether it's a car that you'll want to take away on your holiday, and to give you some inspiration on a couple of things that can be done to the car to make it handy. Now, starting at the front, we've put in some floor mats into the car. We've gone and opted for the genuine rubber floor mats that GWM has on this car. They are really well suited to covering the most amount of floor space, so that when you're getting in and out, particularly on, whether it's unsealed or gravel tracks like this, or perhaps you're just in a car park around town on your Monday to Friday, and like this, you might pick up some dirt, maybe some grass. You can get in really easily. You can slide that mat out and you can just shake it. Because it's a molded mat, makes it nice and easy for you to put that mat straight back in the car, but it also grips to that carpet area as well really, really nicely, thanks to these little teeth that are behind the carpet. So one of the accessories that we did is exactly that. So first one, most important, get the right choice of floor mats. And for this one, we've opted for the genuine molded rubber mats from GWM. Now for the top, because we're going to be loading things like swags, tents, or just sitting on the top, having a nice bevy at the end of a day, we have opted for a Slimline II platform from Frontrunner. The great thing about this is it's designed to minimize the amount of wind noise that you actually get inside the car. The car itself already comes with really good sound insulation for the outside, so I was really surprised that this hasn't actually added all that much sound to the top of the car, despite having some stuff on top of it already when we're driving around. One other really handy feature is this bottle opener. Now it's been slotted here so that when you get to camp and you need to open any of those nice brewskis that you might want at the end of the day, you just pop it open using a built-in bottle opener. No longer do you need to look around trying to figure out where your bottle opener is. Next up, we have Slimline weather shields all the way around. This is just going to allow us to have a little bit of ventilation into the car when we need to, particularly when it starts to rain, which here in Queensland, it seems like it's never ending. And it just allows us to crack the window open just a little bit to air out the car on a hot day, particularly if parked at a car park, without having water drip in, or maybe for people to even see that it's cracked open just a little bit. Next up are the Frontrunner storage boxes. Now these are really cool because they latch together nice and easily. So this latching system is what holds them onto the platform rack when you have the base stand for them. And the great part about these boxes is that they're really versatile and really steady. So if you need to take things to pack away at the campground, you can stack on top of them, or you can seal them up as well. They are actually quite well sealed in here. It's been raining for the last 24 hours here in Queensland, and none of my balls are wet. And that's because, well, it's pretty well sealed. Now, if you're wondering why I have a box of balls, it's because we've been giving away some free merch to different people that spot the car when we're at different events. So we'll keep you in the loop on when the next event is, and you can come up to us and see if you can score yourself some free merch. The merch changes from week to week, so it's not always going to be balls. We have beach accessory wallets, we've got giveaways like water, energy drinks, you name it. We've kind of got a little bit of everything, so stay tuned for that. And the great part about this box is once you're done, it closes up nice and quickly. Latches in there, latches in here, off you go, lifts up and pop it back on the roof. Now, one of the other accessories that we've opted for on the Slimline platform rack is the jerry can holder and the jerry can. It holds 20 litres, it's black, which is a little bit unique. A lot of jerry cans are not quite black, so it just keeps the car looking pretty good when you've gone for a particular colour scheme. The best part about it as well is it also locks away as well. So if you want to actually run a lock through here, you can, just to secure it that little bit extra. But to quickly release it, to unlock and pull it down, it's a pretty easy system there. So it's nice and easy. Again, just makes things really simple and secures your fuel really, really well. So that's another thing we've opted for just there. The great thing about going the Slimline II roof platform from Frontrunner is that this roof platform gives you up to 55 different accessories that they offer for your roof rack. They're all available at carscaravanscamping.com.au, which makes it super convenient to order everything you need. and you'll even get free shipping across Australia when you spend over $1,500 with FrontRunner. So that's another big advantage. Now, a couple of accessories that we've gone for. We've got the little eyelets. Now these little eyelets, they roll around and allow you to secure different things. Strap freely, however you want to strap. In the middle, we've got the gas bottle holder. Of course, once we have a gas bottle to slot into it, that's going to take up pride and joy in the center there for those adventures where you might want a gas hot water system or just gas to cook. Along with the fuel tank on the right-hand side, we have a water tank on the left-hand side, including a tap release. This is perfect because you don't even have to pull it off the roof to fill it up. So if you want to, you just undo the lid at the top. And once this lid comes off, you have a seal on the inside that seals it nice and neatly for you when you put it back up. And you just fill it up with the hose at the top here, making it super convenient for your adventures without having to pull it down and undo all of the security straps that come with it. If you do want to remove the security bracket from it that keeps it up here nice and neatly, you just undo this and obviously lift that up and the tank comes off nice and neatly as well. Along with the harder wearing all-weather mats that we've gone with inside the car, we've also gone with an all-weather mat for the cargo area. And the reason for that is it slots out nice and easily, just like the floor mats. It allows you to shake it up, get whatever dirt or wipe up any messes nice and neatly, but it's perfectly molded to the space in the car for all your wet weather and rainy days, as well as any outdoor activities that you're doing, beach trips, adventures, without worrying about getting any mess on your actual carpet in the car. And because it's a genuine accessory from GWM, it also fits the car 100% perfectly, just the way you'd want it. One of the great accessories that's available at carscaravanscamping.com.au. Let's show you a little bit more. Now on the side here, we've also got a little light. It is well protected by this housing just here, and it allows you to have a little bit of light at your campground so you can just identify what's around you, set up camp and have just enough light without having to power a whole nother accessory with its own independent light when you're trying to just get just enough light. At the top, another roof box as well from FrontRunner. And I really like these roof boxes because they give you a lot of security without having to strap it in. It just simplifies the whole process of just packing up and getting on the road as quickly as you can, and then pulling it down and setting up camp or pulling out whatever you need when you need it without having to undo ratchet straps and get different ropes and things like that. It's literally quick and easy and well worth the money of just having its own roof mount on there as well. So there you have it. There's some of the accessories that we've gone with on this build. Let us know if you think there's something that we've missed or if we should add. And stay tuned for some places that we're planning to go with this car to explore and to test. And make sure you check out the guys at carscaravanscamping.com.au, where they have a full selection of everything you need, from genuine accessories all the way through to aftermarket camping and caravanning accessories as well. So everything you need for outdoors, they've got you covered.